Hello everyone, I hope all you guys are good and well. So today I want to show you how you can add tags on your WordPress pages. By default, you maybe know in the pages, all of pages, the tags features is not available. So but for SEO website pages SEO, maybe you know need the tag features on your pages. So let's see, the tag feature is not available here. So first check out this. So we can go here, blog edit. So as you can see in the right side, there is no any options for add tags. Okay, so we how can we add tags on the pages? So first we have to install a plugins. So go to plugins to add new plugin section. So there in the search tabs you have to search about pages with category categories and tags. Okay, so after that, here the plugins will be appear. So this is the plugin pages with category and tag. We have to install now, then we will active after the installation complete. So now it is installation complete. Now click here, activate it. Okay, the plugin is activated here. So as you can see, pages with category and text, it is activated. So now we can see the tag feature is added on our WordPress pages. So from now you can see, you can add your tags on your all of pages. So let's go here from here. So click here, contact us page edit. In the right side you can add tags, categories. So right now the feature is enabled on your WordPress pages. So this is the way you can add your tags on your WordPress pages. Thank you so much.